Hello again. This is another bike check for Hoffman Ontic EL. I was recently in a car crash, so insurance paid for a full front end of my bike. So I decided to make a bike check on what I got new. I got new tall Sunday 41 thermal bars. I don't know. But they're chrome and they're really nice because I like tall bars, and got a shadow stem with a hollow Haro cap on it. I also got a gyro brake set, which is extremely nice. I paid for that myself, but it's extremely nice and works amazingly. That's part Odyssey and part Mobuscus. I don't know what that says. I also got FYB front forks. They're raw in color. And also my axle was damaged, so it damaged the hub, so I got a new front hub. It's female right there, and it's actually a lot nicer. It's sealed rather than the Blitz hub that originally came with it. That was not sealed. But this bike rides a lot nicer right now. I've been riding it all day, and the slightly bigger space in there it's really nice for foot jams because it's just a bit bigger now, so I can actually get my foot in there. And I can't quite complete them yet, but I try. Going to a park tomorrow, so I'll try and get some videos up for that. Yeah, see if I can get any checks down for you. Alright? See ya.